welcome back to our channel, guys. So it's been it's been more than a week that I haven't posted on the channel, and I kind of took a little bit break because a lot of stuff, there's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, things that you guys don't know about yet, but you guys will eventually. So yeah, we took a little bit of a break, but we're back. I'm out of breath, by the way. I'm at that point in the pregnancy where I start getting out of breath, but it's fine. So I'm gonna be doing kind of like a little cooking video for you guys. I'm gonna include it in the vlog. So I'm gonna start cooking right now, and I just remembered, oh my god, I haven't recorded for them in a really long time, so I should probably get the camera and record some cooking footage because you guys love all the cooking videos. So we currently have Alejandra on the couch. She thinks she's a teenager. Be careful. I got so scared of you. Oh my, no. You cannot stand on the couch. You know, typical mess of having a toddler. Pretending to talk on the phone, period. Ribs cut up. Gotta season it. We're gonna do some like rice with corn. I don't know. We're gonna do something a little bit different, something fast. It is currently 5 minutes till 6. So we gotta get this shit popping because Alejandra eats in an hour. So yeah, let's go ahead and cook this food up. Seasoned the other side, which is the same thing you saw in the beginning, but to the back. Added some water. We're gonna go ahead and lower the heat. I put it in 375. Cover this up and let it cook until the water is gone. The water has wasted, they're gonna start like frying. You know, you want them to get like a little crispy on the outside, so that's what we're doing. Get golden on all sides. So we have the washed rice. I got half an onion and diced it up. We're gonna go ahead and add the corn now. Water, some salt, and some oil. So I went ahead and mixed all that up. We're gonna go ahead and put it on low. Cover it up and don't open it for at least 20 minutes. And your rice should be ready. Looks so good and smells amazing. The question is, who does she think she is? Laying on the couch, like if she's old. I swear to God, she cracks me up. Oye, bájate. Alejandra, bájate. She's acting like she doesn't hear me. She knows damn well I'm about to get her ass. I'm about to get her ass. So here we have it. Alejandra's gonna be the first one eating tonight. So I got her some rice, some ribs, and some avocados. She's gonna eat by herself. So she recently started eating with a spoon. She usually eats the rice with the spoon and like the avocados and the meat with her hands. She's still learning. So I just want her to practice. There she goes. Good job. A lot of it falls out, but that's why I serve her extra rice. Because I know a lot of it falls out while she's learning. This is Alejandra's progress right now. She threw the spoon on the floor, which means she's about to be finished. And yeah, she demolished everything. A lot of it's in her seat, but not as much. She's learning. She's getting better. Right, baby girls? It's been a few days since you saw the footage of me cooking, and my plan was to post it right after I filmed it. So it would be, I would edit that night and post the next morning. But then I got sick that morning. I woke up feeling bad, like I had a headache. I was having a low-grade fever. I don't know, it was weird. I just started feeling bad out of nowhere. I was a little stuffy, and my body, I just had like body aches. I was like really worried. I was like, you know, like what is going on? Like, why am I sick? So Alejandro went to get some Tylenol for me. Since I'm pregnant, I could only drink Tylenol, and Tylenol takes a long time to do an effect on my body. Like, I had a low grade fever for like 3 hours before it actually like went down, and I've been like this for like 2 to 3 days already, and I'm finally feeling a lot better. You know, I'm not 100% back, but I'm almost back. I have a headache right now. There's just so much going on, guys. We will be telling you guys like everything soon, but yeah, I just want to do this video to kind of like update you guys on why we have been gone. It's been almost 2 weeks since we don't post, which is ridiculous. You guys know that I never fail on posting. I usually post 3 to 4 times a week, and I had to take a break. Like, I can't, like, there's so much going on, and this pregnancy is literally gonna be the death of me. Like, I am tired all the time. It's so bad. I actually, like, I was worried. I was like, this is not normal. Like, there's no way that I could be this tired. And I did my research, and there's this thing called pregnancy fatigue, which I had no idea about, and it's completely normal, especially the first trimester and the last trimester. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to me having this again. Guys, it's so bad. I feel so unaccomplished. I feel like a bum. I had a little mental breakdown this morning. I literally bursted out in tears because I feel like I'm not giving my 100%, like, with you guys in uploading. I feel like I'm not giving my 100% with Alejandra. I feel like I'm not giving my 100% with the house. Like, my house is a mess, and it's never a mess. Like, I can't even finish doing laundry in one day like I used to because my body can't hold it. Like, I have to sleep. Like, my body drags me to the bed. Like, I literally wish I was kidding. So I feel so bad that I'm not giving my 100% like I used to do, but you know, it is what it is. I gotta take it slow. I'm pregnant, you know. So yeah, I will be posting regularly. I want to give you guys like a pregnancy update, like actually sit down and tell you guys everything about, you know, my pregnancy, like all my symptoms that I've been going through these weeks. I haven't given you guys a pregnancy update, so I will very soon. You guys are asking like how far along I am, what am I feeling, you know, if I felt the baby kick, you know, how the doctor's going and stuff like that. So everything will be up on my channel next week. I have a doctor's appointment, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the video right after the doctor's appointment, so I could show you guys, like, you know, anything if I record in the doctor's, like if I get like an ultrasound maybe, but I doubt it. You know, they barely do ultrasounds. So yeah, I'm like rambling, you know, telling you guys all my problems. Like, if you guys cared. I just felt bad not giving you guys an update. It's been almost 2 weeks. You guys are probably like, what the hell happened to her? Is she okay? So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, close out the video, drink some medicine. I have a huge headache right now. I'm still throwing up and stuff, but you know, I'll tell you guys all about that in my pregnancy update video. And yeah, I should be back very soon. You should be expecting another video from me this week. Yeah, most probably I'll post on the weekend, so don't count on it, but I'm going to try. So yeah, see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.